Hello, beautiful. I'm Coach Lola, your wealth and finance empowerment coach. And today we are discussing smart money moves that too many women are missing out on saving money on taxes. Yes, you heard me right. Now, listen, whether you're clocking into a 9 to 5, whether you're running your own business, or even if you're doing both, like many of us are doing, there are legal, strategic ways to keep more of what you earn for yourself and for your family. I remember coaching a young lady. Her background is she's a full-time teacher. She had a side hustle at the same time as a baker. She was overwhelmed and she said, Coach Lola, I worked so hard, but I feel like I'm barely keeping up with my bills, with my finances, and for family needs as well. We reviewed her taxes. She had 0 deductions outside of her W-2 standard deduction. She had no mileage. She had no home office, no tools she was using to grow her baking business. We cleaned that up real quick. Right away, we got to action. And the following year, she was able to save over $4,200 in her taxes. Now, that was her breakthrough. Now, to every employee listening and watching this video, if you're a W-2 earner, here are things that you need to make sure that you have in place for yourself. Number 1, max out your pre-tax benefits. Use your employer's 401k, your employer's HSA or FSAs. HSA is your health savings account. FSA is your flexible spending account. For the year 2025, the 401k maximum contribution limit is $23,000. And every dollar lowers your taxable income. Secondly, track your work-related expenses. Educators, did you know that you can deduct up to $300 of your classroom supplies out of pocket, or about $600 if you're married as educators? Use it. Track those work-related expenses. And lastly, for every employee out there with a side hustle, file your taxes the right way. If you have a side gig, a side hustle, a side business, make sure you file a Schedule C form, tax form. Even if it's small, it opens doors to business deductions for you. And looking on the other side, for all my friendly, beautiful entrepreneurs out there, whether full-time or part-time entrepreneurs, number 1 is to write off all legit business expenses. Your phone bills, your internet, your marketing, your softwares, even a portion of your rent or mortgage if you work from home or you run your business from home is a tax write-off. Make sure you have the proper documentation and the proper way to track these expenses. For employers or entrepreneurs out there, another strategy you also want to practice, especially in this period that we are, 2025, with everything going on right now, is to use strategic tools like investment tools. One good tool for entrepreneurs out there is the Index Universal Life, IULs. These policies can create tax-free income in retirement, and they act as a wealth tool, a wealth builder. And it even gives you living benefits. Getting the right one gives you living benefits. There are other wealth strategies that you could also implement, things like a Roth IRA, but make sure that you are maximizing every tax-free wealth strategy that can help you towards your retirement. Entrepreneurs, do not rely on your business for your retirement. Do not rely on other your cash accounts, your bank accounts. Make sure that you are actively investing in tax-free retirement investment tools to help you save for your retirement and other future plans that may come up as you go in business. Another great advantage for a life insurance policy is in the event that you're no longer alive, you're no longer, or you're incapacitated. How is that business going to function? You need these policies to keep the business running until you get better, or if you pass away, that business is still functional for generations to come. But make sure that you have everything documented the right way. And lastly, for my beautiful entrepreneurs out there, is to set up a solo 401k or a SEP IRA. Now, as a business owner, you can contribute up to $6,000 every year to your retirement account in this category. This is way more than the traditional employee limit. Make sure that you are maximizing investment strategies like this to grow your money for yourself over time. According to a 2025 report by the IRS, over 30 million taxpayers overpaid because they didn't know what they could legally deduct. And with inflation and the rising interest rates, every dollar counts today more than ever. The smart move is don't just make money, learn how to make your money work for you and how to make more of it. Now, sis, God didn't just call you to be a good steward. He called you to be wise. He has given you the wisdom. Yours is to apply. With everything in his hands, he has called you to be wise with what's in your hands. What is in your hands today that you can apply and start practicing and be a good steward of what he has placed in your hands with the wisdom he has given you. Here's your action step. Number one, if you are employed, check your W-4. Max out your pre-tax benefits and see where you can save. If you have a side hustle, secondly, or a business owner out there, start tracking those expenses and claim what's rightfully yours. Talk to a tax professional, talk to a tax advocate, a financial advisor to help you plan ahead of time. Please do not wait till the next year's tax season to start planning for prior year. Take action today. Lastly, consider tools that will help you grow your money tax-free, like the IULs, a Roth IRA, or retirement account, other retirement accounts out there that will help you grow your money tax-free and the smart way. If this helped you, drop a comment in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from each and every one of you. Share your thoughts, share the action steps, or your takeaways from today's video. Tag another sister, and let's take smart money moves together, because we're building wealth, we're leaving legacies, and we are living purposefully. Let's go, Queens. You got this.